How to add or change password on iPhone iOS 18. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to add or change your password on an iPhone running iOS 18. Your iPhone password is essential for securing your device, and it's important to update it regularly to keep your data safe. Whether you want to set a new password or change the one you've been using, I've got you covered with these easy steps. Let's get started. First is to start by opening the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You may be asked to enter your current passcode to continue. If you don't see Face ID and Passcode option, it might be hidden under the Screen Time settings. Just tap Screen Time, then select Content and Privacy Restrictions. From there, tap Passcode Changes and enter your current passcode or Face ID to access the option for changing your passcode. But again, this is only needed. You may only find it here in the screen time um, settings if you can find it right here in the settings main. But if you have it, you can just simply click on your Face ID and then just enter your passcode right here. And then here you can change your password. If you haven't already set up Face ID or Touch ID, you'll also have the option to enable them for extra security. And that's it. You have successfully added or changed your password on your iPhone. It's always a good idea to keep your passcode updated for extra security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!